Relationships with students are very important.
Teachers don't need to be persuaded about that. How to use applications you know and start building deeper relationships with students. First of all, we must remember about
willingness.
Both parties must agree in order to start using the applications and make contacts more intense.
Formal aspects.
Remember that you always need a written consent of both parties to publish any information on the internet.
Development.
In the times of immense technology development, new functions emerge, which may improve your contacts with students. It is worth learning. Students are eager to use the provided tools. For students below 13 years of age, it is worth involving their parents. The creation of a class group or account will allow you to
transfer the information smoothly,
build a class community,
ensure cooperation of parents, students and teachers,
appreciate any success which has not been noticed so far,
access needs and moods,
ensure non-formal education,